What's going on, folks? I want to show you how you would be resetting your oil life, as well as turning off your maintenance light on a Toyota Corolla. It's probably the same for multiple different years. So what you would want to do is turn your vehicle to the on position. And if you look up your dash right here, this little side piece over here is where you're going to be doing this at. First thing you want to do is come down here to where you got your arrows at and your OK button. You want to first press your arrow that's pointing to the right. And when you press that, I'm going to take it up to the top. I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now. This is the right button. That's OK. So what you're going to be doing is coming up here. I'm pressing that arrow button. See how it's going over? You want to take it right there to the little gear, which is basically your settings right there. And once you get right there, what you want to do is press the down button on your pad where you press the right button at till it says vehicle settings. Press OK. Actually, you want to, when you get to the vehicle settings, press and hold it. So I held it, and when I did that, it'll take you to schedule maintenance. Then what you want to do is go down to maintenance, press OK, and as you can see right here is asking you reset data, yes or no. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go up to the yes using your pad over here. Go up to yes using your pad and hit OK, and therefore you've went ahead on and reset your oil life as well as your maintenance light. But you only should do this like after you had an oil change. That way it can reset back to like a full oil life. You don't want to just do this whenever, because now it's going to be off from the next time it tells you it's time to change your oil or to maintenance your vehicle. All right, folks, once again, this is how you will be resetting your oil life as well as your maintenance light on a Toyota Corolla. It's going to be the same for multiple different years. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.